Is your poop red? Don't panic. Today I'll tell you some of the reasons why your poop may be red. I'm Nurse Wong, and this is Butt Talks. Number 1. Red color foods. As we learned in Why Is My Poop Green, natural or artificial food colorings can affect your poop's color. For example, some of the foods that make your poop red are beets, beet soup or beef juice, rhubarb, tomatoes, and tomato-based foods. Some artificially colored foods are hot Cheetos or other red colored chips, red candies like gummy bears or red licorice. Limiting your intake of these foods or liquids can return your stool back to the healthy brown color. Number 2. Digestive bleeding. Any of the following conditions of the colon that can cause digestive bleeding can turn your stool into reddish brown. Non-cancerous tumors, malignant tumors, inflammation, colitis, diverticular disease. Seek medical assistance immediately if you notice consistent dark red poops with blood, mucus, and intense abdominal pain. Number 3. Rectal and anal bleeding. Rectal or anal bleeding is identified by bright red blood found in the poop itself, in the toilet after pooping, and or on the toilet paper after wiping. Low-risk conditions that cause anal bleeding include hemorrhoids, post-anal surgeries, irritable bowel syndrome, rectal ulcers. More serious conditions include inflammatory bowel disease, colorectal cancer, anal fissures, abscesses, or fistulas. Some causes are nothing to worry about, while others can be serious health concerns. If you have anal rectal bleeding for multiple days, consult with your primary doctor for further evaluation with a gastrointestinal specialist. If your buddy is telling you something's wrong, it's better to be safe than sorry. Watch our other episodes where we look into unique poop colors and understand our potty language. If you like our video, press the like button below. Comment on what you would like to learn about next. For more tips and tricks from Butt Talks, subscribe to our channel. Have a great poop day!